Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here, standing just outside of Cottage Grove, Wisconsin. In fact, there's the Southside Police Station right there, and there's a Drovik, I don't know, some like Germanic name plumbing place. But here I am at number 96, Rustic Road number 96, and I'm having a string of really good days, and in fact this is the third one I've hit today because I'm on a road trip to do an iron butt all the way around Lake Superior. But on my way there, it's like I want to do something else. I want more than just going up there, doing an iron butt and coming home. So I'm hitting a bunch of rustic roads so I can have the videos ready for you guys during my off season, because living in Wisconsin, more than likely I'm going to have snow, ice, salt on the roads, and that's when I don't ride. And it gets hard to make videos for you guys if I can't be on the road. So here we are, Rustic Road 96, says 4 miles long. Let's do it. Let's see what it's got. All right, Rustic Road number 96. Let's go. Now the road starts off just off of County Highway N. And I've actually seen a lot of cars on that county road, and a number of cars have actually turned and gone down this way. So I don't know what to really expect of this road. I don't know if it's going to be heavily traveled. That's not what the rustic roads are supposed to be. They're supposed to be lightly traveled roads. And it looks like this first intersection we have to turn. I am doing this without a map, so I have to rely on road signs. Oh, a little bit of gravel right there. Still 45 miles an hour, and that's the peak speed of a rustic road at any place is 45. Bet you they stable horses here. Yep. Oh no, those are cows. Oh, there are some horses back there though. More cows out there. I know it's hard for you guys to see because of the lens configuration. It's hard to see things far away. Even though you might be just a couple of feet from what I want to show you, it's going to look like a long distance for you guys. So for me to do this ride, it is late October. I'm getting a lot of good color changing in the trees for the autumn. The corn is all drying up. It's really getting to be beautiful. On my way to this road, I even passed a combine that was gathering up the field corn, and it's got that kind of like dry leaf smell, when you're raking your leaves or stuff like that. There's just a certain smell that it has. Oh, nice road. I like that. I like those curves. That was really nice. This has been the longest road I've ridden today. Longest rustic road. I've also done number 19 and number 20, and both of those were just under 3 miles long. I think the first one was like 2.5, and then the other one was 2.9. So this is a 4-mile road. Just passed a sign back there that said that that's a curvy road. I had the little squiggly line. That's always fun to see. Yeah, look at this. This is nice. Seeing a lot of good yellows and oranges up in the tree line there. A little hard to see with that sun right there though. Up this nice big hill. Oh wow. Oh, that one was a little steep or a little sharp. Had a downshift for that one, get down to about 30 miles an hour to take that one. There, I didn't see a warning sign. Oh, yeah. Nice lone silo right there, and you can see kind of the pile of rubble that used to be a barn. Looks like there's some new construction over there. And this is the end of our Rustic Road. I'm going to stop here by the sign instead of down there by the stop sign. Yep, right there. That's the end of Rustic Road 96. Beautiful road, well constructed. You know, the pavement hasn't gone all super bumpy or anything like that, but it's not a freshly paved road either, like the start of number 20 was. So this had a lot of nice hills and curves and just fabulous. It really was. And I'm not far from Madison. This is a nice easy jaunt just off of Interstate 90, and you can get here no problem. Well, this is Mark saying thanks again for watching. Always believe heart, soul, mind, and body in yourself. Bye, guys. All right, let's start heading north.